You don't attract what you want, but you attract what you believe in. Hindi mo na-attract kung ano yung gusto mo, pero na-attract mo kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan mo. Magkaiba kasi yung dalawang yon, okay? Wanting something does not mean you will get something. Like you will say, I want a nice car. I want a pretty face. Okay? Pero iba yung sinabi mong, I believe I will get the car. I believe I will have a pretty face. Yung emotions kasi is aligned with your actions kapag pinaniniwalaan mo siya. So, inaaksyonan mo, kaya nagiging totoo. And yun yung ginawa ko sa glow up ko. And yun pa rin yung ginagawa ko para maabot ko yung dreams ko. Kasi pinapaniwalaan ko siya. Kahit anong sabihin ng ibang tao, matindi yung paniniwala ko. Because I believe in my dreams and I believe in myself. So, you don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe in.